which 5 or under.
Watch that tether on the paint, buddy. Please. Sorry. Yeah, it's sometimes it's when I had it in there before, I was having an issue with that, and then when I pulled it back out, I did run on Python and everything. It seemed to be better, but yeah, I mean it's not
You just
often.
need you guys got to get the right offset down.
That's right. Yeah.
I should do that.
It absolutely, especially for your application, it'll make a lot of difference.
Yeah, no, I got to buy on the way. What are these things? What are they running?
This is 40.
40, yeah.
Yeah, it's 40.
Keep pushing.
That's right. For sure. I mean, you can have a vehicle that's 200-300